beautiful day. Wife and I are out on the farm. We got a little small special project that we want to work on. The walkway that leads up to our greenhouse gets quite a bit of weeds, and I thought it'd be a good idea to eliminate the weeds and add some flowers to give it a little beautification. So we're going to do a little project today. We're not going to do the entire project. Our goal is just to plant the first 3 flowers, and this thing probably a good, I'd say 60 to 75 feet long. So the only thing we're going to do is 3 flowers, plant some bulbs, Mrs. Madison favorite, and then also some seed that'll potentially germinate next year. These are my favorite. Honeybees love them. They are called Psidiums?
I don't know. I just made that up.
Let's say, for instance, one of these, you can cut one of these, and they easily multiply. You can actually use cuttings and replant them on other part of your property, and when they fall off, they grow back. So yeah, so that's what I like about the Psidiums. So it's an easy plant to multiply and have a lot of plants. So 2 plants are going to go a long way on our property. Some people would say that's being frugal or cheap, but I say that's being resourceful. Just saying, Jamin. So, getting into the project, we're going to torch this entire area here. Mrs. Madison's going to be on water hose duty because we do have a wood structure.
Why can't I do the torch and you be on water hose duty?
You are barred from touching any new tools. That tool just came out the box. Every tool is new that we're using.
Just the way I like them.
And you're not going to touch them.
Just the way I like them.
You're barred from tools.
Okay, fine.
But I'm going to torch this entire area here up to those plants, and that's what we're going to plant today.
Guys, so we're getting ready to plant the Psidium. Ryan, it looks like you're supposed to do 18 to 24 inches apart, but it doesn't say how deep it's supposed to be.
Okay.
So,
all right.
Guess the choice is yours.
But we do want the soil to be a little soft. Make sure you tickle those roots.
Yeah, I'll tickle the roots, alright.
Guys, we're going to put some of this organic biotone starter in there for the plant, give it some food. That way it has a nice little head start. I'll open it up for you now, just a handful. Mix it up in the soil. let's break that root up a little bit. There we go.
Keep going?
Nope, that should be good enough. Here, I'll hold it while you start putting dirt around it. Make sure you're breaking all the chunks up. There we go. That's perfect. Okay. So we have the first sedum planted there. Now we're going to go and we're going to just broadcast between the sedum and the grass a little wildflower prairie meadow mix that we ordered earlier this year from, can't think of the company name, but it seemed to be doing good back in our wildflower garden. So we're going to just add a little bit of flower, a little touch of flower here for just for aesthetics. What's nice about it came with this little spreader. You can't see it, but it is broadcasting some seed. Plant another flower about right here. This should be more than enough. A little backfill. Listen, Jamie says she found these, but I actually told her I want these. But I'm just gonna let her have credit like she always take it. So we're gonna take this grass here, just break it up a little bit. We're gonna tickle that root. What happens is they get root bound. So you need to tickle that root to break it up so it grows. And these ones get roughly 2 feet wide and 2 feet tall.
That looks pretty.
Backfill it a little bit. And babe, now you can go through just from here to here, water, start putting our mulch in.
Yeah. The end of the day here, we've got in about 3 plants and we have about 100 more to go. Yes, we do. Pray for us. But no, this was a fun idea for Ryan that he had. So the thought behind it is that eventually we'll put some edgers in, and then of course fill it with some additional mulch. But we wanted to get just a light layer of mulch over the seeds to protect them and then hold the moisture into the newly plants that we added. So we are gonna kind of work our way back with the plants eventually, and it'll be part of the project. We figured we'll start it because then we'll have to finish it before winter. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Please like, share, and subscribe. Peace.